How many people here remember your birthday? Let me just see your hand. Okay, I think that's a pretty good number. Now, what did your brain have to do for you to respond to that question? Almost instantly. Give you some idea of how complex your brain is. First of all, the sound waves have to leave my lips, travel to the ear, enter your external auditory mediators, travel down to your tympanic membrane, set up a vibratory force which travel across the oscillus of the membrane to the overall with a second vibratory force in the endolimb, mechanically distorting microcilia to electrical energy which travel across the cochlear nerve to the cochlear nucleus of the frontomedullary junction, from there to the superior olivary nucleus, descending by the way of the brainstem to the left meniscus, to the inferior colliculus and the medial geniculate nuclei, across the glandular radiation to the posterior temporal lobes, begin the auditory process. From there to the frontal lobes, without a tract retrieving the memory from the midi-hippocampus structure and memory bodies back to the frontal lobes to begin the motor response at the bedside level, coming down the corticospinal tract, across the internal capsule into the cerebral peduncle, descending down to the cervical medullary neck section, into the spinal cord, gray matter, synapse, going out to the muscular junction, stimulating the nerve and the muscle. So you can raise your hand. Now, see if you can get one of those rap singers to do that. But,